Alright, I just did a logic board cleaning. Let's see what happens now. Look at that. Huge improvement. Okay. That's not weird at all. With this guy. Let's see if it reads it. Unfortunately, I don't have a... Yeah, unfortunately, I don't have the keyboard shit. I don't have the keyboard or mouse for this thing, but let's see. I think that's a reset button. Yep. Okay, that's the crash button. Unfortunately, audio does not want to work still. Actually, turn off TV set. Yeah, the analog board needs a recap. Jesus Christ, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Huge improvement. Hey, you checked the disc. What do you know? Oh shit.